Vivo Xshot, let me show you how to enable your portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's here find and select settings. Here you need to choose the personal hotspot right here, and let's enable the portable Wi-Fi hotspot right here. Tap OK to confirm it, tap OK again, and you just activate the hotspot. So here you can set up the hotspot by tapping configure Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you can change the network name, security type and password. The password must contain at least 8 characters. This is your current password. So if you change something, tap save. If not, you can choose cancel. And that's it. You can also disable the hotspot in the same way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.